Alright, so the first thing, disconnect your negative cable so nothing happens. These two, you want to take the cover off this, by the way. These two plugs up under here, just take them out and then you pop these two buttons out. And then, we gotta try and get the camera to focus. But, oh crap. Okay, that black box up there, it says keyless entry. There's a white plug back there. Pull the black piece down and remove that white plug. And then you can lock it and unlock it without the alarm going off. Alright, that's all. Quick